Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Well, the old Grizzly, she's down. Be down for a while. Got a lot of issues. One right here. Got the boot ripped off there, which is a easy fix. That's not a big problem. This bearing on this wheel, that's shot. Let's see what else we got. What else we got wrong here? My God, this thing's seen better days. Oh, poor Grizzly. Oh. So another problem. That's oil on the side of my block, which is not good. Not good at all. So that's an issue. I gotta fix that. And the biggest problem, my last ride, I noticed stuff coming out of this hose right here. You see it's a little bit black? Yeah. See that black right there? Right here? That's oil. You know what that means? My head gasket is toast. The Grizzly is going to be down for a while. Because if the head gasket's done, I got to go through the whole thing now. I got to flush the whole coolant system and make sure nothing else is broken. The whole front end seems to be okay, just that back bearing and that back boot, but yeah. Couple of hard rides and yeah. Actually, well, it's been, I think I got almost 800 kilometers on this motor now, but the below head gasket, so there's got to be something wrong. She's been ridden hard and put away wet a few times. That's my fault. That's my fault. But come this winter, I can show you how I can pull out a motor in 30 minutes because I've done it before. So, yep, that's what's going to happen. Unfortunately, there's not going to be any more riding videos for a while. It's just going to be me disassembling the Grizzly and fixing it. And just after Christmas, of course, I got no money right now, so now I have to wait. I have to wait till I get a paycheck or two to buy parts. So, well, just wanted to give an update because yeah, it's gonna be a while before I put up a video. So I have a couple in queue, but it's what, 2 weeks, and then that's it. And it's gonna be me. You can watch me working on this right here. Yay! Not that most people like to see that kind of garbage, but you know what? It is what it is. I have a head gasket. I can do that no problem. Like I said, I can pull this motor out in 30 minutes and then get rid of all these studs in my tires, because this is really what did my motor in here, because I built my Grizzly to go slow and I was doing nothing in that category. Doing the river run, and pretty much the Grizzly was just wide open throttle the whole time, lots of the time. So yeah, she's not meant for it right now. You know, factory farm, no problem, but the way I built it, this engine's not meant to rev up high for long periods of time. So I'm pretty sure in camera I didn't catch all the times that I was like wide open throttle the whole time, but yeah. I know previous videos you can watch, you can hear me bouncing off my rev limiter, pop, 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 pop. So, yeah, it's taking a toll. It's taking a toll. So now, it still runs. I'm going to drain the coolant out, put some fresh oil, take it to the car wash, clean it up, and then it's tear down time. Because this is, she's not runnable right now. Not for any extended period of time anyways. So, this old girl, oh, I feel so bad. I feel so bad for her, you know. I think probably just hates me right now. Like, you asshole. Can't believe you did this to me. Oh well. Till next time, hopefully we'll get this Grizzly back up and running again. Peace.